Bro, hearing up. Hey, Andrew. Oh. Reloading. Copy. There we go, roll. Oh, hit, gun hit, good shot. Did you give me? I didn't hear. I don't know if you. Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. No, you're good. No, no, no. Come on, move up. Let's go. Go in there. Go in there. Oh, let me see your click area real quick. Let me see your chest rig. Your chest rig. Come on, wrench. Oh. On the inside, on the inside, on the inside. I got you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There's one at that area. Right there, to the left, right there, by the steel.
How did we not?
Oh, nice one. Damn, man, you got me.
gun when you point it out. So what you should do,
Always keep it up.
put your other gun on this side. So let's do it again.
You want to inch it a little bit.
Bang.
Run up. You always want to keep a distance from your gun.
You don't want to point it here.
Yeah. And then see how you can see an opening right here. You start firing and you start shooting. You know, whoever you see. Okay. And then more. You're welcome. Long time no see, bro. How you been?
I'm good, guys. There's one on this wall, be careful.
Copy, copy.
You literally just got
Oh, dude, barely. No. Oh.